Welcome to the English Redo channel, where learning English is easy and fun. Today's story is about Lily, a bright 10-year-old girl who isn't feeling well one morning. Let's listen to how her mom and dad take care of her, how they visit the doctor, and what Lily learns about staying healthy. Good morning, sweetheart. Time to wake up. Mom, I don't feel so good. Oh no, what's wrong, honey? My throat feels scratchy, and my head hurts a little. You feel a bit warm. Maybe you have a little fever. Can I stay in bed, Mom? I don't want to go to school today. Of course, baby. You need rest. I'll tell your dad and make you some warm water with honey. That will help your throat. Thanks, Mom.
Good morning, honey. Where's our little sunshine?
She's still in bed. She's not feeling well. I think she caught a cold.
Oh, dear. Poor thing. Did she sleep okay last night?
Not really. She said her throat was itchy and she kept coughing.
Let's check her temperature after breakfast.
Yes, I'll take her some warm honey water first. Here you go, sweetheart. Warm honey water. Sip it slowly. It's sweet. My throat feels a little better already. That's good. After this, maybe you can eat a little breakfast. Something soft and warm. What's for breakfast? Oatmeal with banana slices. It's gentle on your throat. Okay. But can I eat in bed? Mom's smiling. Just for today. You're my little patient. Mom, why do I get sick? I washed my hands before dinner last night. That's a good question, honey. Sometimes, even if we're careful, germs still find a way into our body. Maybe someone at school had a cold, or you touched something with germs and then rubbed your eyes or nose. So, germs are tiny things that make us sick? Exactly. You can't see them, but they can cause colds, coughs, and fevers. Ew, I don't like germs. No one does, dear. But don't worry. Your body is strong and knows how to fight them. Dad entering the room.
Hey, doctor and patient. How are we doing in here?
Hi, Dad. I'm better, but still tired.
That's okay, sweetheart. You just rest. After breakfast, we'll check your temperature, okay?
Okay.
Maybe later, if you feel up to it, we'll go see Dr. Patel. She'll help you get better faster.
I don't really like going to the doctor. It's all right, sweetie. Dr. Patel is very nice. She always smiles and talks to you like a friend. Can I take Teddy with me? Of course. Teddy can come too. Let's get you dressed, sweetheart. It's a little chilly outside today. Mom, can I brush my hair later? My arms feel weak. Sure, honey. I'll brush it for you.
All right, time to check that temperature. Let's see. 98, 99, 100.6. You do have a mild fever.
Then we'll definitely visit Dr. Patel today. Okay, Mom. Can we go soon? I want to come back and rest. Yes, we'll go right after you put on your shoes. Can I wear my slippers instead? Nice try, but no, slippers are for home. Shoes, please.
Don't forget Teddy.
Never! He's my brave little helper. Good morning. How are you today, Lily? A little sick. Oh, dear. Let's help you feel better. Please take a seat, and the doctor will see you soon.
Thank you. Hello, Lily. It's nice to see you again. What's been going on?
My throat hurts, and I have a fever.
I see. Let's take a look. Say, ah for me.
Uh...
Your throat is a little red. I think you have a mild throat infection, but nothing too serious.
Oh, that's a relief.
Yes, I'll give her some medicine to help with the fever and throat pain, and plenty of fluids, warm soup, tea with honey, and rest.
Do I have to take the medicine? It tastes yucky.
I know it doesn't taste great, but it will help your body fight the germs. Think of it as superhero juice.
Superhero juice? Okay, I can try.
She's brave, aren't you, Lily?
I guess so. Teddy helps too.
Good job, Teddy. Keep helping Lily rest.
Thank you, doctor. We'll make sure she gets enough rest.
You're welcome. If the fever doesn't go down in 2 days, come back. But I think she'll be fine soon.
Here you go, honey. A cup of warm soup, just like Dr. Patel said. Smells good. What kind is it? Chicken and vegetable. Lots of vitamins to make you strong. Can I watch a little TV while I eat? Sure, but just a little. Then nap time.
I brought you your medicine. Time for your superhero juice.
Fine. For the superheroes.
That's my girl.
Close your eyes, sweetheart. Rest will help your body heal. Okay, Mom. Good night. Mom? Dad?
Hey, sleepyhead. How are you feeling?
Better. My throat doesn't hurt as much now.
That's wonderful. Rest really helps, doesn't it?
Yeah. Can I have some juice?
Of course. Orange juice?
Yes, please. It's full of vitamin C, right?
Exactly. You remember that from school. Look who's up. Feeling stronger, champ?
Yes, Dad. I think my superhero juice worked.
See, Dr. Patel knows her stuff. After your juice, you can sit with us in the living room, but no running around yet, okay?
Got it, Mom. Just relaxing. You know, Lily, being sick isn't fun, but it teaches us important things. Like what? Like how important it is to take care of our bodies. Eating healthy food, washing hands, getting enough sleep, and wearing warm clothes when it's cold.
And don't forget, listening to your body. When you feel tired or sore, it's okay to rest.
Sometimes I think I'm okay and keep playing even when I feel tired. That's normal, sweetheart. But your body sends you signals. When you feel weak, it's asking for a break.
Just like a phone battery needs charging, our bodies need rest and good food to recharge.
So, I'm like a phone? A very cute one? But yes, we all need energy. I like that. When I rest, I'm recharging my battery. Exactly. And remember, if you ever feel unwell, tell us right away. Don't hide it. Okay, Mom. Promise. Mom! Dad! Guess what? I feel great! That's wonderful news, honey.
No fever?
Nope! My throat feels fine, too. See? Rest, healthy food, and medicine worked like magic. And love from you two.
Aw, come here, you big hug monster.
What did you learn from this, Lily? I learned that being healthy is a gift. We should take care of ourselves. Eat well, sleep enough, and wash our hands.
Perfect answer.
And when you're kind to your body, it thanks you by keeping you strong. I'll always remember that. Can I go back to school tomorrow? Let's check how you feel tonight, okay? If your energy stays good, then yes. Deal! Today, I learned that health is like sunshine. You don't always notice it, but everything feels bright when you have it. That's beautiful, Lily. Thanks, Mom, and thank you for taking care of me. Always, sweetheart. Now time to sleep. Tomorrow will be a happy, healthy day. Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad. Good night, my brave girl. And that's the end of today's story. Lily feels sick and learns about health. Remember, kids, take care of your body. Eat healthy food, rest when you need to, wash your hands often, and always tell your parents if you don't feel well. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning English with English Redo channel. See you next time!